I'm going to read you what was in the original content, and then I'm going to elaborate on it. I said I wanted you to decide what you were doing to affect the other person. What do you want? What are you doing in the beginning, middle, and end? You're doing something and you're trying to affect the other person moment to moment. So find at least the beginning, middle, and end. But not only that. What are you doing? You can tell a secret. You can brag about something. You can convince them. You can tease them. Maybe you say, nice jacket, dude. Or maybe you say, nice jacket, dude. Those are two totally different actions. One is mean, one is nice. That's a mean tease, but it's in the script. If it is appropriate to the story, do it. So think of that. What are you doing beat to beat, moment to moment? Think of it like a heartbeat. And the tempo is going to change and you're going to find your transitions. We already spoke about transitions earlier, but yeah, you can watch the original content right below for the rest of what's written here, because what I want to tell you that is really helping me, I'm going to tell you right now. Okay. At the end of a period, that's the end of a thought. There's a new thought every time there's a period. So to help me as I'm rehearsing do this, I learned this from one of my coaches, Greg. Here's his name. Find him. He's awesome. Okay. But if you just want to do this one thing, I highlight each thought in a different color. So in my script now, let's say there's a little paragraph and I have quite a few thoughts in it to remind myself to make them unique. I'll have a yellow highlighter and a pink highlighter, and this one is yellow, this one is pink, this one is yellow, this one is pink, just to remind me. One day, my coach Amy Linden was like, Dawnnie, those are all your flatlining. It's just all one sentence. It's not a bunch of unique thoughts. So as you rehearse, do this for yourself. Try it. Maybe it won't work for you. I hope it does. Because it's one of my new favorite things. And it also helps me memorize my lines in a very organic way. Different thought, different thought, different thought. A bunch of aha moments, a bunch of light bulbs. Before you know it, it's all melted together. You throw the homework out the door and you just live and breathe. That's the point of this. This last video in my original content, I talk about just you do all this homework and don't let it show. Don't let your homework show. I was trying to be sarcastic in my class that I took a couple days ago, and sarcasm is not one of my most marketable qualities, it seems. I want to get better at it on purpose, just to prove I can. And boy, if you ask my family, I can be sarcastic. Yeah. But somehow my nurturing, nice mom comes out more apparent. It is more apparent in my acting than my sarcasm. So I tried it. My teacher said, yeah, that was a little actory for me. So come on, we can do this together. I know we've all got different strengths, and use it. Know who you are. I share my mentors with you in my Working Actor 365 area. And one challenge that is given to the actors within the various groups again and again and again. Actually, every single class I've taken so far online has given me this challenge in one way, shape, or form. Make a video of yourself saying nothing, and then have the people watching it tell you at least 3 characters they would see you playing without you even opening your mouth. Those are the characters you should go after first. And one of mine is Mom. Of course, what a shock, right? Okay, I hope this serves you in some way. Go ahead and watch the original content down below of my setup that I had originally at my studio. And now I have a more, not more elaborate as in more expensive, but just more mom home user-friendly setup at home for my self-tapes. Like right now, this is a green screen right behind me. It's a pop-up. I'll show you what I got. I'm probably going to make noise by showing you this, but you have been listening to me this whole time on this mic that is plugged in, and you are not looking at me on the computer camera, you're looking at me on a little plug-in camera that's a Logitech that's plugged in. And I'm reading this on a monitor, a big monitor that is plugged into my laptop that is actually over there. And this wall, I'll move this so you can see it. Can I reach it? Yeah, this wall is painted blue in my house so that I don't have to worry about is my room clean to do my self-tape. And over here, I have something on the wall that I can't show you because it's not my content. I pinned it up on the wall from one of my classes I'm in. So, but just know there's a ring light right here, but it's bouncing off the white wall so that it's giving me light here. And way back opposite me is a big box light. And I literally leave this set up 24/7 in my home so that I can pop on and make videos for you and or do self-tapes. So I also have a monitor, a stand for my laptop so I can raise it or lower it in one of my classes. If it calls for us to be standing in the scene, we're supposed to be standing in the scene. Same thing with your self-tapes. And they now make, it's way over there. I wish I could show you. It's way over there. Come to me. Anyway, I now have a tripod for my cell phone and they make them really tall. This one is like 7 feet tall. So I'll show you a little video. I'm completely not made up in this video. I made a video where I shared it with my, who did I share it with? I took a commercial acting class and I shared this with my commercial class, like my setup. I hope I have that because it was on Vimeo and I'm not sure I still have that membership. I switched to posting all this on YouTube for you. Anyway, I've so enjoyed sharing this and re-recording this for you, we as grown-ups in the grown-up version. And I continue to live and breathe through the share my tools mantra. And I hope this serves you in some way. All right, we'll see each other in either the Working Actor 365 videos, or maybe you're doing my 6-week challenge. If this is the only thing you're doing, if you're ready to coach with me, by all means, please book a private coaching and we can do this together. And I am going to add more and more videos over time where I show you a sample of me actually doing this script breakdown. So stick around. Even if you've gotten to the end of the lesson, go back up, stick around, tool around other areas of our acting class app. All right, see you soon. Thank you, Dawnnie Mercado for TADA Acting Studio, actingclassapp.com.